2025 Honda Civic RS is here, bringing sporty styling, enhanced performance, and cutting-edge technology to one of the most popular compact sedans on the market. Known for its reliability, efficiency, and fun driving experience, the Civic RS takes things up a notch with aggressive design elements, a turbocharged engine, and a tech-packed interior. In this review, we'll dive into everything you need to know about the new Civic RS, including its design, performance, features, and driving experience. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Honda Civic RS boasts a more aggressive and aerodynamic look, featuring a black honeycomb grille, sleek LED headlights, sporty side skirts, and gloss black accents. It sits on 18-inch alloy wheels, and the signature RS badging gives it an unmistakable presence. Honda has also introduced new color options, making this Civic look sharper than ever. Under the hood, the Civic RS is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering around 180 horsepower and 240 Nm of torque. Paired with a CVT transmission with paddle shifters, it offers responsive acceleration and a thrilling drive. The sport-tuned suspension and revised steering setup make it more engaging on twisty roads, while still providing a smooth and comfortable ride. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Force Sunset 2025 gets a premium and sporty feel, with red-stitched leather seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and an updated dashboard design. The tech package includes a 10.2-inch digital driver display, a 9-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Honda has also improved the noise insulation, making highway drives even more refined. Safety is a priority, and the Civic RS comes equipped with Honda Sensing 3.0, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Whether you're driving in the city or on long road trips, the new Civic RS ensures top-tier safety and convenience. In terms of fuel efficiency, the turbocharged engine remains efficient, offering an estimated 6.5 to 7.0 liters per 100 kilometers, making it a great balance of power and economy. Overall, the 2025 Honda Civic RS delivers sporty looks, a dynamic driving experience, and cutting-edge technology, making it one of the best compact sedans in its class. Whether you're a driving enthusiast or just looking for a stylish and reliable daily driver, the Civic RS is a top contender. What do you think about the 2025 Honda Civic RS? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting car reviews.